today we're gonna make. Wait, oopsies. Sorry. Oh no. Today we're going to make firework TNT. No. What was that? No. Yeah. So, first to make firework TNT, you need TNT. That's what you need for this. So we're gonna use some TNT for this. Yep, we're gonna use TNT. This is how to make a firework TNT. Just find a nice place so we don't blow up anything. Okay. So, right here. Let's do it on this mushroom. You gotta make it as tall as you can. And then you gotta make a pressure plate. Let's just do like we did before. So you gotta use pressure plates. Yeah, we're gonna need pressure plates for this also. So then you gotta do this. Just do it anyway. You gotta step on one of them and it makes TNT work. Firework TNT. See it? Didn't really exactly work. Exactly work. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. I think this is what I'm supposed to do for the firework TNT. Just make it taller. Tall as I can. And stop. And boom. Let's see this go. Let's see this firework TNT explode. That is how you make a firework TNT. Firework TNT. That's how you make it. Boom. I don't really exactly know how to make like there's a different type. I don't think I know how to make it. But let's try that again. Make it go really, really high. Right, then that explodes. And then that platform. Clouds into the whiteness. Here we go, we're going to do the firework TNT. Wait. What? Really? I guess that's all we can do. The firework TNT. Mom.
Yes?
On this YouTube video, I'm doing firework TNT.
You are?
Yeah.
You're very cute like that.
That is how to make firework TNT. Oh, for one last thing, we're gonna make some colors. Yeah, everybody likes these colors. So, use these colors. This is order. Now, we're making it go like this. It's kind of challenging, but this is how you do it. Wait. Let's see. Okay, now, one block comes over here. The iron block goes over here. The emerald block goes there. Gold block goes there. The coal block goes there. And now the lapis blue goes there. And then next we're gonna put iron here. We're gonna put diamond here, lapis here, and then we're gonna put coal here, there, and we gotta put emerald right there, right? You probably want me, since I'm kind of doing this with TNT. It's a TNT video. That's what I did. Called this video Firework TNT, but it's actually about all types of things you can do with TNT. Just kidding, it's just about Firework TNT. If you want me to do this, let me run. Let's see what this does. Boom. The survivors. Let's see who is still on me. You're out. You're out. Just like everybody else. One. Good job. Good job, winners. You get a prize to be out too. What? You want? Now, time for you to be out too. Everybody's out now. Wait. I like the color blue. Wait. So we're gonna make a blue structure. And we're gonna blow this thing up. And here we go. And there, blue structure. Boom. And that is going to be all for this video. Bye!